Let me tell you about this juicer. I was anticipating this moment when Amazon would let me know I had a package at the door. A masticating juicer is like no other juicer that you have ever seen in the past. It comes with the two cups, one for catching the juice and one for catching the pulp. Old juicers, people have bowls sitting there. I remember having an old juicer where I ended up having to put a bag around it to catch the pulp. There's the little spout. You just open this little nozzle and the juice pours out, which I love. It doesn't leak. The inside is really big. You can fit a lot of fruit or vegetables in there at once. It has a little contraption in there that sweeps along the side to keep the juice moving and flowing. This lid is like a safety lid and it has a hole on it to add more ingredients without having to stop the process and open it up. But when you open it, it's like I said, a safety feature. When you open it, it stops the juicer, and when you close it, it snaps into place. And if you have it too full or overflowed, it will pop open to let you know to readjust some of the ingredients inside. And yeah, I just love it. And then there's the knob on the side. It not only does it have a function where you can turn it on and it goes forward, but if you find that is fruit stuck down in there, you can hit the reverse and it'll bring that fruit back up out of there, which tends to happen with me when I'm juicing celery. And so right now I'm getting ready to juice some pineapples. And if you haven't had fresh pineapple juice, you gotta give it a try. As you can see, the lid is open and that's where you begin. You can put, I think I'm going to juice a pineapple and a half today. And that little bowl, it holds quite a few ingredients. And the way that I have my pineapples cut, I don't even need to cut them that small. It's just something that I've gotten accustomed to from using the old juicers with the spinning wheel. That juicer, it heats up the juice a little bit in order for it to function. So it kind of warms it up, and that means it's not giving you all of the nutrients and the enzymes. This is a very quick process. When I tell you, if I'm ready to go, I can make a pineapple juice, 32 ounces of pineapple juice in a matter of 5 minutes. It's really quick. I love to just juice fresh in the morning and have the fruit ready to go. It's all about that meal prep. Even in juicing, you're going to have to prep your fruit. But I know that with that more expensive Nama juicer, you can put more bigger whole pieces in here. But that juicer has like a $500 price tag. So this is like made in the image of the Nama. And as you saw, once the pineapple went down that I had put in there in the beginning, with that bowl, you just add the rest of your ingredients. And I love pineapple juice with lemon and ginger. I had a juice in Miami about 18 years ago, and it was full of ginger and lemon juice, and I have been a fan ever since. So you just add those ingredients. This is the ginger. I peeled a couple of pieces of ginger to drop in there, and it's a really quick and easy process. I love this juicer. It's very easy to clean, very easy to disassemble and then put back together. It comes with a little brush, and see how you open that part? At first, I thought the juice was going to go everywhere, but no matter how fast I open that little spout, it goes directly in the cup. It is perfectly designed. You can't go wrong with this juicer. If this works this good, I can only imagine how that Nama juicer works. See that little arm in there? It's like a little spin wheel and it just sweeps along the sides and makes sure that none of the fruit gets stuck or trapped. And if you want to leave this open to walk away from it for a minute, you can do that. But at the end of the day, this is fresh squeezed, freshly juiced pineapples with lemon and ginger. If you want to know where I got this juicer, send me a message. It's so good and so refreshing.